This week, we are practicing fixing sentences. We're going to make sure that our sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with the correct punctuation. So I'm going to write a sentence on my board here. The cat ran. And underneath it, I have 3 types of punctuation. So I have the cat ran. Well, the sentence is a telling sentence. It's giving me information. But the problem is the beginning of my sentence does not start with a capital letter. So I need to always make sure that the first letter of my sentence always starts with a capital letter. I'm going to erase that T and make it a capital letter now. Now I have to decide what type of punctuation I'm going to put at the end of my sentence. The cat ran. Well, I know I use a period for a declarative sentence, a sentence that gives me information, or a command. A question mark, I use it at the end of a question, and an exclamation point, I use it after a sentence shows emotion. So I'm going to read this again. The cat ran. That's telling me something. So I'm not going to use a question mark because it's not asking. I'm not using any kind of emotion for that, so I'm not going to use an exclamation point. I'm going to use a period. So I'm going to put a period at the end of my sentence. So now my sentence is complete because it started with a capital letter, it ended with a period. Let's do another one together. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Louis and I play on the swings. Well, I started my sentence with a capital letter, and I need to make sure I use the correct end punctuation. So this sentence is telling me something again, so I'm going to use a period. But now I want to check to make sure that I've capitalized or used capitals for all the words that I need to. So Louis is the name of someone. So I started with a capital L, and it's also the first word in the sentence, so it always has to be uppercase. And that's not a name of a person, so I don't have to do any capitals there. I. Oh, wait a minute. Anytime I'm using the word I in a sentence, and I mean me, I have to make that a capital letter. So anytime I'm using the word I, it's always going to be uppercase, no matter where it is in the sentence. So this sentence now is Louis and I play on the swings. And I used a period at the end because it's telling me something. On the next slide, you're going to see the directions to help you complete your assignment.